आकाश एज्युकेशनल सर्व्हिसेस लिमिटेडच्या तब्बल 16 विद्यार्थ्यांनी चाचणी तयारी सेवांमध्ये निर्विवाद राष्ट्रीय नेता नीट UG परीक्षा 2024 मध्ये AIR 1 क्रमांक मिळवून प्रत्येकी 720 पैकी 720 गुण मिळवून इतिहास रचला आहे। या 21 विद्यार्थ्यांपैकी 14 वर्गातील विद्यार्थी आहेत आणि 7 आकाशच्या डिस्टन्स लर्निंग प्रोग्राम म्हणजेच DLPचे आहेत। नॅशनल टेस्टिंग एजन्सीने आज निकाल जाहीर केला। आकाश इन्स्टिट्यूट बेळगावच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी नीट 2024 मध्ये उत्कृष्ट कामगिरी केली आहे। याचा तपशील खालीलप्रमाणे: पर्णिका कोरेने 695 गुण मिळवले, सृष्टी हवलदारने 670, उत्कर्ष कोरवीने 665, प्रणव पाटीलने 662, शरद माळवमदने 662, अतिफा तहसीलदारने 645, साहिल पाटीलने 631, सुप्रीत पाटीलने 630, भाग्यलक्ष्मी हिरेमठने 629, छाया होसमनीने 629, सूरज देसाईने 615, प्रतीक संकर्तीने 600 गुण मिळवले। यावेळी विद्यार्थ्यांनी आपली कृतज्ञता व्यक्त केली।
Please come that side, sir. Sir, also.
We'll give trophy to parents.
All this could have been possible only due to my big support system that I had. First of all, it would be my parents, all faculties over here, and also my brother. And I think I have to thank them for all those efforts that they have put into me, and the belief that, and also the trust they have put into me.
Really feeling happy. Those sleepless nights, those consistency. Now I think they all pay. And in my journey, all my achievements, I am very thankful to Akash, my parents, teachers, Amrita ma'am, Manish sir, Karishma ma'am, Dushan sir, Raghavendra sir.
विलक्षण कामगिरीबद्दल विद्यार्थ्यांचे अभिनंदन करताना आकाश एज्युकेशनल सर्व्हिसेस लिमिटेडचे CEO आणि MD म्हणाले, आम्ही या अनुकरणीय कामगिरीबद्दल विद्यार्थ्यांचे अभिनंदन करतो। त्यांची ही कामगिरी त्यांच्या कठोर परिश्रम आणि समर्पणाचे प्रतीक आहे। त्यांच्या भविष्यासाठी खूप खूप शुभेच्छा।
Heartful congratulations for our successful students who are scoring very high in the branch from Belgaum branch. And particularly, just now Rajesh sir said one thing in the continuation of the same, values what sir said. That is the point I want to remind all of you students. Till now, there is no pollution in your mind, or else no adulteration, you can say. You're very pure, your mind is very pure. And you are sincere and you are very hard working and all. Now you got success and now you are entering into your dream goal, that is medical field. Whatever the ideology that you kept in the mind, like to serve your family, to serve the society, to serve the nation and humanity, these are the points whatever there in your mind. Keep reminding all these things throughout your professional life. Don't become maniac of money. Of course, today doctor in the sense it's a money making machine or a profession, like things are there in the people's mind. Of course, situations are demanding to you people to motivate like that. But once forever, if you are able to remember your base from where you are coming and with what aspiration you are entering into this profession, you keep on reminding the things. That always going to support you people to grow in your future. How? I'll tell you in one word. Now, just now we discussed about technology, artificial intelligence, all these things. No doubt they are going to support for your professional growth. But apart of the same thing, the only one kind of thing what a human being can do, the machine can't do. That is the humanity or human nature. If you don't use that human nature or humanity in your profession, there is no meaning of a medical profession. That all we know.
From Akash Institute, Akash System and Pedagogy, due to which you have admitted your ward into Akash. And really it is a wonderful journey. 1 or 2 years you have spent here, and you achieved wonderful success. And I would like to suggest one point. In this 1 or 2 years of journey, surely you have developed a methodology to study, and some learnings are there, some experiences are there, and you have to carry forward those learnings, experiences, especially the values and ethics, what you have achieved from what you have acquired from your school and parents. You have to continue that one. Never stop learning, stay humble. This is very much required. Today morning when we are doing celebration at one of our branches, one of the professor was invited, and I want to replicate those words because I have promised to the audience of that branch that I will be using these words again and again. Professor sir has mentioned one important point. Unlike previous years, in case of previous years, the MBBS students used to study only medicine during their MBBS 5 years journey. Post that they go for post graduation. But now the era has changed. Our MBBS students, upcoming future doctors, need to compete with robotics, need to compete with artificial intelligence also. Do you agree?
Yes.
Definitely. You have to compete with both these artificial things. Hence, your learning should be upgraded by yourself only. Not only on MBBS content, but also your focus on latest technologies. You have to equip yourself with latest technologies, and you must be open for learning. Then only you can serve the modern era patients, and you can have the competition in the modern era. So all these things possible when you carry forward the good things like values, hard work, dedication, whatever you have done till today, all those things should be carried forward. And with this note, I just conclude. And once again, I appreciate all my teaching staff, admission officers, branch manager, and seniors, faculty members, parents who became the pillars for the success of our Akashans.
AESL-कडे 315हून अधिक केंद्राचे पॅन इंडिया नेटवर्क असून सध्या 4 लाखांहून अधिक विद्यार्थ्यांनी नोंदणी केली आहे आणि गेल्या 35 वर्षांमध्ये एक अप्रतिम स्थान आणि ब्रँड मूल्य स्थापित केले आहे. विद्यार्थ्यांची खरी क्षमता अनलॉक करण्यासाठी आणि त्यांच्या शैक्षणिक प्रयत्नांमध्ये यश मिळवण्यासाठी उच्च दर्जाची चाचणी तयारी सेवा प्रदान करण्यासाठी ते वचनबद्ध आहेत. विनोद कोलकार, कन्नडम्मा न्यूज नेटवर्क, बेळगाव.